Hello friends, today I am going to unbox a Huja CTP 10DX, which is a professional mic. If you are a YouTuber or any you are using any audio devices, so this mic is going to help you. Now this is an old device which I brought from OLX. The original price is around 700 rupees or 750 rupees included tax, but I brought this in 350 rupees, so it's less than half. So it was a good deal for me. You can see the box. I got the box also because most of the time when you are buying pre-owned, you are not getting any box and all. When you open the box, you are getting a pouch, microphone, cell and condenser. The pouch is good, as you can see in the video. It's very neat and clean, and it's trendy also. Just a bit of printed issues. There are very cheap type of printing on it, but when you open the pouch, it's very good, a quality material. And you open the pouch also, so in the pouch also you will get one wrapper, this plastic bag to secure the mic, because these are the very important devices. A small thing is there, so a lot of chances are there of damages. But what's inside the box? So we can see one battery is there. This one is the condenser. This one is used when you are putting your microphone in amplifier, so that time this condenser is very useful. And if you open the condenser without cell, it is not going to work. So every time whenever you are using the condenser, you need to put the 1.5 volt AA battery, and it is also given, so it is given by Ahuja only from the company. But remember, when you are using amplifier, that time only you can use this condenser. Otherwise, if you want to put it in your mobile phone, so directly you can get a 3.5 jack. A mic is there with 6 meters wire, which is very good because 6 meters is enough. So if you are hosting a show, so that time you can put it on your neck also, because a neck tie is also, the tie clip is also there if you want to hold near to your collar, so you can use this tie clip. And you can see the build quality, the wire is very thick. It's a 2-in-1 3.5 plus 6.5 jacks, so the wire quality is very good, the build quality is very good. It's thick also, and plus it is durable. And if you are keeping all these things aside, now you can see in around 700 rupees or in pre-owned 350 rupees, you are getting all those things, which is very good. And it supports both of the devices, 3.5 devices also, 6.5 devices also, so you don't have to worry. One important note is that whenever you are using this condenser, make sure you remove the cell, because if you're not using this condenser and if you're keeping the cells in, so most of the cells withdraw these chemicals, which is going to damage your device. So always remember, whenever you are removing a device, remove the battery. Please like, share and subscribe. D Gamer. Thank you.